Hello students, welcome to Academia. Today we will discuss another important organelle of cell called Golgi body. So, what is Golgi body? Golgi bodies are the membrane bound group of flattened cavities which are located near nucleus. These Golgi bodies are also known as Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex or Golgi. They are found in the cytoplasm of most eukaryotic cells. These Golgi apparatus are discovered by an Italian biologist, Camillo Golgi, in the year 1898. The Golgi apparatus is made up of several stacks of parallel flattened sac-like structures which are called cisterna, tubules and vesicles. The structure of Golgi which we see in the structures of Golgi apparatus. However, it is extremely pleomorphic. In some cell types, it appears compact and limited. In others, spread out and reticular. So this is how the Golgi apparatus look like. They are made up of cisternae, tubules and vesicles. There are approximate 4 to 8 cisternae are present in the Golgi body, and they have the trans face and the cis face. The cis face is the convex side of the stack. Maturing faces are called trans faces. So one side is called the receiving side and one is the producing side. From the Golgi body, we see the membranes are forming some vesicles, and these vesicles are detached from the Golgi body, forming independent vesicles like this. So the Golgi body, which are responsible for the manufacturing of variety of proteins, are very much important in the cellular functioning. The appearance of Golgi body is constantly changing, and the material which comes in one side from the ear and is lost from the other side as completed vesicles bud off. In the structure of Golgi under electron microscope, we found that there are cisterna, tubules and vesicles. Now individual parts we will see. First of all, cisterna. Golgi body is made up of 4 to 8 cisternae. They are called cisternae. The cisternae is about 1 μm in diameter. They are central, flattened, plate-like. These are the important characteristics of cisternae. By a smooth unit membrane. As we know that Golgi complex is also have membranes, and the whole structure of Golgi are also made up of membranes. Golgi body has a distinct polarity. The two poles, as we see in the diagram before, the cis and trans. One is responsible for receiving and another is responsible for shipping. The cis face is convex in nature, whereas the concave side of the stack are called transface. As we already seen in the diagram, that the Golgi body, which receive the content from the endoplasmic reticulum and package it in the small vesicles. So the receiving side is convex in nature, and which is called cis face, whereas the concave side is called transface. So this is about the features of the cisternae of Golgi body. Structures of Golgi body are tubules. So tubules are tubular in shape, and they are small round part formed from the periphery of the cisternae. As we have seen in the diagram, that the stacks are there of the Golgi body, and from the stacks, which are called cisternae, there are formation of the tubules and vesicles. So these kind of tubules form the vesicles. So a few get enlarged at the end, as we seen here, and they form the vesicles. So next structure is vesicle. The vesicles are formed from the tubules. So they are 60 nm in diameter and are of three types. So three types of vesicles are found generally. Number one is transitional vesicles. These vesicles are small membrane limited vesicles which are thought to form as blebs from the transitional endoplasmic reticulum. The next vesicles are called secretory vesicles. So here I am writing the names of the vesicles. Next are the secretory vesicles, which are varied sized membrane limited vesicles that discharge from the margins of the Golgi body. And number 3 are the Clathrin coated vesicles. They are spherical in structure, about 50 micrometer in diameter, and with a rough type of surface. So, after seeing the parts of the Golgi body, it is clear that without the cisternae and the tubules and vesicles, which form the entire structure of Golgi body, the functioning of the Golgi is incomplete. And the cisternaes having the cis phase and trans phase forming the tubules, and the tubules forming the vesicles.